Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today's Thursday, April 28th. Let's find out what is on our calendar for the day. The symmetry has actually been pretty fun. I've enjoyed doing these and exploring these different shapes. Let's find out if we can draw a line of symmetry. Let's see, can we draw a line of symmetry going straight down? Will we have the same exact thing on both sides if we folded it? No, not exactly. Not exactly. What if we drew a line of symmetry going this way? Would we have the same thing on both sides? Yes, we would. There's exactly one line of symmetry we could draw there. As we continue on, we're going to talk about our days in school. And we are now working on day 147. Incredible. Incredible. 147 days in school. We have 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 6, 7. Next, we will be going into how we make that number 147. It's very important that you understand that there's more than one way, and I invite you every day to create your own math equations that equal the number of the day. 147 there, 147 here, so we have 100 plus 40 plus 7, then we have 50 plus 50 plus 40 plus 7. Finally, using coins, we have 4 quarters, which is equal to 100 cents or $1, plus 4 dimes, which is equal to 40, so we have 140. Right now we have 146, and we're going to change it to 147 by adding 1 more penny. All different ways to make 147. Finally, All-Stars, of course you know I have more of these. I think it's very important that you understand your math facts, and knowing these math facts starting from any number, to add on 10 more or to subtract 10 more is super important. So just as you did yesterday, I have some math facts over here on the left-hand side that I would like you to practice working on during this time. But before you do this, I have to say one thing. Let's find out about our popsicle sticks. Let's find out how many we have. Oh, it's right on the line. Which number is it closest to? Oh, it made it over into the 5. So we'll add on 5 more sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow, right now we have 5, 10, 15, 16 popsicle sticks already. Incredible, really good. Now, my amazing All-Stars, I would like you to work on these math facts, adding 10 from any number or subtracting 10 from any number. Do not forget this information over here reminds you if you are subtracting 10, you go up to the number above it. If you are adding 10, you go down to the number below it. I know you can do it. I believe in you, All-Stars. Off you go.